Okay, we're going to have both our sales guys are present. They're actually selling. So we're going to let them. One of them is in Europe, and the other one had something in his family. But I think this is our sales team. This is by far going to be our strongest solutions. I'm going to talk about Suresh. Suresh runs a company called Value Addition. This is a he was a CEO at Princeton Software and Digital Factors prior to setting up his own, joining a management team at Isaiah Group. They are primarily database and lead generators. So they generate sales. Their services are across this. They do inside sales, which means they do campaign planning, lead generation, sales support, sales research, training, strategic sales. They also do end-to-end sales, which means somebody was talking. If that company there, Sharadji, I forget the name, the company, Bilani, say Bartley Boy, wanted to actually go and sell, they would be able to talk to these guys and be able to give them a solution which was like, say, a one-month solution, and we can actually end up generating leads and sales for them. That's what these guys specialize in. Another company I want to talk about is Altius. Altius is primarily a call center. It's a BPO. It's a focused 200 people company today, and Nabil and Akhil own it. So they've been in this business for a really long time, and we are essentially preparing a solution with them right now. Srirang has met this client, but for an export company where we're going to help them generate orders, sales inquiries from Mexico and the US. So there's a call center that's there which is able to do that. So we're doing that, and we're going to prepare this as a solution and go to market. So this solution is going to be applicable for a Raymond's tomorrow as well. The point is, this is one of their services. So we're going to do this again, right? So they do all of this out here: lead generation, appointment setting, acquisition, calls. They do technical support across things. So they do not have a textile client yet because they didn't find it lucrative, I guess, until they met us. But otherwise, the client base is right. Kaya started with them, still with them. So they have entire Kaya is managed by these guys.